Good day, everyone. Today, I will going to discuss the IP community, including the Davao region. Davao region is a home to various indigenous groups with rich cultural traditions, languages, and ancestral lands. These groups have lived in the region long before colonization, have preserved their unique customs, rituals, and way of life. Let's begin with the IP Ata. Ata refers to indigenous subgroup of the Manobo people, specifically the Ata Manobo, known as dwellers in highlands and residing in the Pakibato district and surrounding areas. Panubal, it is their faith. They believe that the supreme being Manama and the spirits are incessantly giving them guidance. It is before sunset, the ancestors of the past and the elders of the present teach the members of the community to heed the elders and obey the rules of Manama. They communicate with Manama through the Panubad. It is a sacred practice done with utmost respect and reverence. The Panubad can be done several ways provided that is recited with great faith and devotion. Next is the Tahakan and Liyang. It is done by Ata woman augment the family income by weaving. With their skillful hands, the sturdy bagtok or wild bamboo is crafted to produce the short takan and the longer liyang or storage for farm produce. Ata is an indigenous subgroup of the Manobo people known as dwellers in highlands, as I said earlier. They are primarily reside at Pakibato district and nearby areas. Panubad, it is their sacred prayer. And Tahakan and Liyang, it is their weaving tradition done by women to contribute to the family through weaving. They skillfully craft bagtok or wild bamboo into tahakan. It is a short woven container, and liyang, a longer storage for farm produce. Ata Manobo sought a better life, moving to areas like Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, Capolong, Bukidnon, and the Pantaron mountain range. They take pride in their distinct features, such as dark skin, kinky hair, deep set eyes, and pointed nose. While some live in the isolation and others by rivers. They are both feared for their role in tribal wars and respected for protecting their land despite this. They are also friendly and approachable. They have this festival called Kalibulungan Festival. They celebrate the Kalibulungan Festival every year in Palaingod, Davao del Norte. As a gesture of hospitality, visitors are greeted with a performance of bangkakaw or lag dance, wherein the female dancers move back and forth while dancing to the rhythm and beat on of the lag. Next is the Ponneya. Before they begin their farming activities, they seek for the approval of Kalalayan, the unseen owners of land, and the author of bountiful harvest for good harvest. They consider Ponneya as their god. At Manobo, most of them are migrated to areas like Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, Capalong, Bukidnon, and Pantaron Mountain Ridge for a better life. They are being recognized for their dark skin or kinky hair. Kalibulungan Festival is their annual tradition or they celebrate it every year wherein visitors are welcome with the Bangkakaw. Bangkakaw is their land dance. Puneya, it is their farming rituals. They done it before farming. They seek to they seek permission from Kalalaya or the ancient spirit. They consider it also as their god. Next IP group is the Bagobo Klata. The Klata are an indigenous group originally from the western part of the Davao River's mouth. Their names mean vein or light and comes from Olat, meaning middle. They live in an area surrounded by other indigenous communities, making it Dil or Tail. Klata also refers to Klatang, bamboo stairs with a central post. Removing the stairs signals that the household is away or provides security at night. This practice is important to their identity, leading them to call themselves the builders of life's stairs. Their territory includes the parts of Davao City, covering the barangay of Manuel Guanga, Sirip Tamayong, Tugbot, and Calinas district. Maog, Anga. It is a bell placed in the middle finger by the talotobad. When we say talatobad, it is the ritualist or the healer doing the baptism of a child. It is done when the bell is being dipped into the water that is on the marble plate. It will wipe on the forehead of the child. They had also these wedding rituals. Begin with seeking the buwatas consent for the couple's union. The tribal priest called Talakasa or Talabtabad prepares the tabad, a special structure where the bride and groom stand facing each other. Offerings are placed on the buoys, followed by a prayer of blessing and protection. Next is the Bagobong Tagabawa. The Bagobo Tagagawa The Bagobo Tagabawa are the indigenous people of the southern and eastern slope of Mount Apo, the country's highest peak. Their name comes from the Bagobo people of Mount Apo and Bawa, which means south. They see themselves as guardians of Mount Apo, protecting its rich biodiversity for future generations. Their ancestral land extends from Tipadas River in Davao City to Sagig River in North Cotabato, covering Toril, Santa Cruz, Digos, Balsana, Kidapawan, and nearby upland and coastal areas. Bantay Bukid. It is a Bagobo Tagabawa have volunteered for the environmental organization Bantay Bukid or forest guards to ensure that their ancestral domains remain protected and safe, which means those Bantay Bukid are environmental organization and they are volunteer. They have also this called Dorong Festival. They done it in Barangay Kapadagan in Digos City, Davao del Sur. The Dorong Festival is held to give honor or Dorong to Manama for blessing Bagobo Tagabawa, leaders with wisdom and heart to serve unconditionally. The Dorong Festival is open to other communities in Davao del Sur as a gesture of strengthening peace and unity. Dorong is an attraction in Kapatagan every September. Next IP group from Davao region is Blaan. Blaan people value partnership, as seen in their name, which comes from Bla, meaning partner. They recognize their communities based on location, to Laga or highlands, to Baba, lowlands, and to Mahi, which means coastal areas. They deeply respect nature and strive to live in harmony with the land, water, and all living beings. Ihinang or Inang. It is a Thanksgiving ritual performed by the Babayanon. Like Panawag-Tawag, the ritual requires establishment to angkaw and offering of pig, liquor, rice, and instrument of the Bibabawo. They have also this Pangoyab or Limpas. as ritual is done to appease the occurrence and intervention of bad spirits, including those ill intentions of the community members. This is usually conducted before and after constructing a house. Blaan. In short, the name Blaan comes from Bla meaning partner. They classify the communities based on location, from Lagad or highlands, Baba, lowlands, and Mahin is the coastal areas or the people living near the sea. Next IP group is the Kagan Kalagan. The Kagan people trace their name to Alag, meaning light of dawn. As the first sunlight touches eastern Mindanao, this evolved into Kaalagan and later Kalagan. The Spanish colonizers mispronounced it as Kagan. Despite differences in religion, they share a common identity. Wars with the colonizers led them to settle in various areas. Their ancestral lands are in Banay-Banay, Davao Oriental, and extends to Songlog River in Lupon. They also live in Davao de Oro, Maco Mabini, Pintucan, Davao del Norte, in Tagum City, Davao del Sur. They have also this called Akeka. It is a birth ritual ceremony of praise and thanksgiving. It is done or performed on the 7th day after a child's birth. Paglugpad. Aside from imposition of kariduan or penalty outside the langga or any public places, a paglugad is done. It is a way of punishing the one who violated the Kagan and Islamic laws. A settlement has to be facilitated by Parugawa and ng Banawa to determine the truth and penalty to be imposed. The public shall inform of the kariduan or the penalty outside the masjid or any public places, then followed by a supplication or dua. Another prayer is offered by the Barugawa and ng Banwa prior to the execution of the pagbadas or the bunal. The pagbadas or paglugpad is done by hitting the guilty back while laid at a piece of cloth. The numbers of strikes will depend on the weight of the severity of the violation. The present-day location of this IP group are in Davao del Norte, in Maco, Mabini, and Pantucan. In Davao del Norte, they are found at Tagum City, and in Davao del Sur, they are found in Padada, Hagonoy, and Digos. And in Davao City, they are found in Sarawan, Banquerohan, Maa, Tigato, Waan, and Mandul. Next IP group is the Mandaya. The Mandaya people are named from Man or from and Daya, upstreams, meaning people from upstreams. They live in clans and were named based on location. The Mandipag live across the river, while Manlawod live in lower river areas. Pag-awas, it is their investiture ritual where a former bayalan transfer their duties to a new one. Traditionally, it was only for leadership transfer, but today, it includes specific cultural roles. Panawag-tawag is performed as an invocation or prayer. The Balyan or Silab calls the Abyan or spirit to ask permission, solidarity, safe, trade success, and thanksgiving for a bountiful harvest through chanting or prayer and invoke the presence of the god Tagalan. It is the harvest god. The next IP group is the Mansaka. Mansaka, or we mentioned before Mansaka, they are from Man, which means first, and Saka, to ascend. Their ancestral lands are in Davao del Norte, covering Maragusan, Nabunturan, Mawag, Maco, Pantucan, and Mabini. In New Bataan, they share land with Mandaya. They are also present in Tagum City. Panagtawag is a ritual paggalas or farming, planting and harvesting. It is conducted to ask permission to utilize the land farming, to ask guidance and bountiful harvest. Pagdabas. The pagdabas is a ritual done at the end of Biyaga ng Kyumamon sang Banwa. Similar to other rituals of the Mansaka, the Bayan shall perform prayers and dances. That's the IP groups from Davao region. We have also other IP groups to be mentioned or report by Joshua May.